Hello friends, this is my first video on YouTube from Phenomenon Physics classes. This class is about uh, 11th, 12th CBSE board and ICSE board. Also for preparation of NEET and JEE. And I am going to explain you about the first chapter of class 12th, which is electric field and charge. Aim. What is the aim to study this chapter? You should aim to understand the basic concept of electric charge and field and their connections. Most of the material provides illustration which should help you to acquire the understanding. To test whether you have understood the concept, see if you describe and explain the application in your own word. Now, what is the goal for learning? First of all, we should understand, interpret or explain the terms like electric charge, coulomb, electron, electronic charge, conservation of charge, ions, electrostatic force, permittivity of free space, conduction, electric field lines, electric field strength, uniform field, surface charge density and electrical shielding. There are number of processes by which electric charge can be separated. We should describe the qualitative features of the interaction of a static charge. What is the relation between electric force and electric field and such a things. Actually, my lecture supports your syllabus and your syllabus support this lecture. First of all, today I am going to show you what is the line diagram for your study. Our chapter is electric field and charge. Electric field and charge, in which we have to read about electric charge and separation of charge. This electric charge and separation of charge leads isolated charge, electric field, electric force between charge, and the electric force between charge described by Coulomb's law. Then electric field lines, surface charge, distribution of surface charge of conductor, electrostatic shielding, and these all are involved in isolated charge. This is the line diagram of understanding this chapter. I will provide you all of the derivation of this chapter in my class, live class, and explain how to manage your chapters.